How to fix Instagram comics option not working or not showing problem. So guys, whenever we open our Instagram and when we click on the search button, then here you can see we have a different features available here, as you can see. So if any one of them are not working properly or not showing in your list, then I'll tell you the exact solution what you have to do and what will fix this problem. So guys, before proceeding further, consider to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll receive all the latest update. So guys, the very first thing you have to do is go to your Play Store account, and then from here you have to search Instagram. And then after searching Instagram, if the update itself asking you for the update, then you just update your application. Now what happened is, if the Instagram app has some new feature which is listed on that top list which I just show you earlier, then you have to update your Instagram app so that you will be able to see those feature on that list. Now after updating your Instagram app, go back to your Instagram and then search whether it is available or not. If it is available, then that's great, and if it is working, then that's great too. But if it is not available and not working properly, then you have to follow second tips is open your mobile setting and then go to manage apps. You may find installed apps or application manager here. Now what you have to do is you have to search Instagram, or if the search bar is not available, then you just scroll down, you'll get the Instagram. Now go to storage and then you have to clear data and then clear all data. Now click on OK. After clicking on OK, your data will be deleted. Now your data means it is not the phase, your Instagram account is not going to be deleted, or nor your data which is in it. Okay, just you will be logged out from your Instagram, that's it. Now what you have to do is go to app permission and then you have to allow all this permission. If it is already enabled, then just off the permission and then enable it again. Now go back and then restart your mobile and then open your Instagram app and just go and watch your features are available or not, and then it is working properly or not. If it is working properly and available, then that's great. But if it is still same, then the third option is that you go and uninstall the Instagram and then reinstall the app and then go check it once. If it is same, then come back, go to about phone on your setting and then go to system update. Now if the system is asking you for the update, then you have to update it. Now what happened if the Instagram is updated but your Android software is not updated, which is old software, then what happened is the latest updated Instagram does not become compatible with your Android software. That's why you have to update this. After updating, both will be compatible with each other, and then you will see all the function, all the feature that is listed on the Instagram. So this is how you can fix your problem. I believe this video definitely help you. Thanks for watching.